Sarado.
Original cologne maker. Transit day today.
Transit jacket again.
Transit outfit. From Cologne, we checked in at Pullman. So, ito yung room. Oh, it's the king room with a king-sized bed. So, ito siya, ganyan siya. There's space here for our luggage. Ref. That's the one at the top. There we go. Wow.
Coffee table.
Okay. Wow. Yan. Ito yung toilet, and just beside it is the shower. Hello! There's a partial view of yung cathedral. Yan. So, dahil Good Friday today, parang ang daming sarado. Medyo, tahimik talaga sa labas. Tapos wala masyadong shops kaming nakita. But we'll try to look for somewhere to eat. Nung sinearch ko yung best eats near me kanina, that's open today, halos puro Asian yung lumabas. So, we'll see. It's cold pala. Parang colder than Prague and Berlin. Ay, sarap ng upo niya. Ooh. Pak. Okay, so we just saw this on Reddit. Reddit mo ito nakita doon. So, buti na lang baka siya today. It's DIY ramen or hot pot. So, the first step is for us to get.
They're gonna weigh it
Oo.
for a certain price. So, I'm just gonna try it.
Try natin.
And we'll go freestyle.
Okay. My bowl looks like right now. Si Chris is still trying to fill his. Yun siya, guys. And then I think we'll choose a sauce.
Guys. Oh. Lahat sarado. May mga ilan-ilan. At
Talaga dito. Kabilang street lang.
yeah. Day 1. Saan tayo pupunta?
Dito na.
Tatry namin i-maximize pa rin yung day to go dun sa spots that we can at least visit and take photos.
Hello from the cathedral. Ayan siya. Ayan yung pila. Parang ito lang kasi yung magagawa ng mga tao ngayon dito. Ayan ang hop-on, hop-off bus. Departure every 30 minutes. It's 12 euros per person. 24 euros yung bus. Kami sa original cologne maker in Cologne. So, yan. The blue one. Tribudol. The original cologne. Bumili kami ng mga maliliit na colognes. Parang mura naman siya for its price. Madami din daw naglalagay ng love locks dyan. Mili lang kami ng currywurst na special.
9 euros to.
Ito siya. Kain. Hello, day.
Oh, ayoko na.
Day something in Cologne. Week. Let's go out. Bumalik kami sa kwarto kasi nakita namin yung naglilinis. Nirefilan niya yung ref. Kaya kinuha namin lahat ng nandun sa minibar.
Ito pa, baby.
Uy, Philippines!
Baby, Philippines.
By the way, na-mention mo na ba kahapon?
Na?
Free of charge kasi yung minibar.
Hindi ko na-mention.
Oh my God. Ang mahal kasi ng tubig at beer at juice dito. Kaya, matatawa ako kapag hindi to nirefillan. Paano pag yung nire-refillan lang pala?
Kasi check-in.
Yung mga mag-check-in. You're invited to use the minibar. It's free of charge for you. Oh. Ah, ganun ba? Sige. Yes, it's it. It's recording na.
Hello. Magandang buhay. It's good.
Good. Thank you, people of TikTok.
Mm-hmm.
Crunchy, crunchy. Like it? Yay!
It's good. Yes.
Hello, baby! Hanapin nyo lang yung dalawang naka-orange. dito sa Cologne.
Jollibee delivery.
So, nanggaling na kami dun sa church. Nakalimutan ko ilabas yung camera. Pero ngayon, nandito na kami sa fish market. Tapos sa likod niya, yung church. So, ganito yung design ng mga traditional houses dito. Trying doner kebab again. Nag-half na lang kami kasi yung sopa.
Yung cake na kinailan.
Yeah. We other people here.
But we didn't follow.
We didn't. Kasi they wanted us to try the sandwich. Ang kapusip kasi yung bread. Kaya nag-wrap na lang kami. So this is chicken. Hindi lang talaga sila madami naglagay ng sauce. Parang still red lang. Ano yung spicy? Is it spicy?
Ito verdict.
Pero naakalan ka.
Yan ang maganda din.
Really?
Yun ang matila. So, feeling ko buti na lahat tayo. Simple lang.
Pero ang sarap. Ang sarap ng food.
After niya ito probably. Hey guys, may nakita kaming thrift shop dito sa Cologne. Ayan. Accidentally lang. So, eto, tatry namin pumasok sa loob. Ladies, more on for ladies.
There's more upstairs now.
More upstairs.
Yeah, can check. Come on. Pangalawang store na to na nakita namin ng mga second-hand watches. So, yung asawa ko, ayun na naman. Nagko-compute na naman siya.
Look.
What's that? Breitling?
Yeah.
Navi timer. 3.6.
232k. Should I get it?
Ah, ang ganda nun. Cartier Santos Galbi. Ganda.
Sa taas.
Oh.
But that's how...
Ano yun? 6'9" ba?
Yeah.
6'7"?
Sorry.
Mahal.
Gusto na yung gold.
Kalma lang. Kalmahan mo lang.
Guys, may nakita kaming ladder rack. Gustong gusto namin to. Yeah, kasi may nakita kami ngayon sa Cologne. Yung, ay mabigat yung canelo. Ito yun, di ba? Binili natin last time. 42 euros.
Pasok. Tada! Ito yung front ng Cologne Cathedral. Tada! Pero kasi, wala ata kasi siyang bayad, no? I tried searching for tickets. Pero wala akong nakita. So feeling ko, anyone can just go in. Pero grabe yung pila. Grabe yung details ng church. As in. And we're going in. Yay! Mabilis lang. Oh! Whoa! It's the inside of the dome. Whoa! Ang ganda. pagdating mo dun sa altar.
Gothic ba to? May labas ba
Mukhang
yung window na
Gothic.
Gothic? Stained glass. Sige. May laman.
Ano naman?
Isang sparkling water tsaka dalawang juice.
Tapos meron pang still dun sa tabi ng kama.
Walang beer.
Walang beer? Sushi ka pa?
Oh, ito pala. Beer! Wala na eh.
Kape?
Wala.
At least may juice and water. That's That's quite expensive.
May glass.
Okay, let's eat. Very saucy. Hello. Eto na kami sa kagubatan bago ang Beer Forest Garden. Ito na ang lake. Lake ba? Or river? Wow. Ganda. Okay, nakaupo na kami sa harap ng lake. And nakabili na rin ng... Yay! What did you order?
Mine is Gaffel Kolsch. Yours is Drexak.
Ano yung Drexak?
It's beer with cola.
Oh.
Portion cola, portion beer. Yung cola mo parang ganito kataas.
Mm.
Stress beer.
Okay.